You there? Wanna go out and feel confident? Come in. Come on. Okay. So we have Mr. J over there. He's gonna show you what to do. Oh, hi. Please come in. Wanna know the secret? Promise not to tell. Okay. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ignore the... My tummy's rumbling. Also ignore the background noises. It's very noisy in here. But anyways, let's just start. I also gotta change in this. Oh my god. So hot. Alright. So first let's start with essentials, and I have 6 main essentials that you really need to have when you're going out. And these are the sunglasses. A pair of sunglasses or sunglass. Is it a pair of sunglasses or a pair of sunglasses? I don't know, but sunglass. You need these so that you will look cool. Just kidding, I don't know. You just need this to avoid eye contact. A beanie or a cap to hide your messy hair, I don't know. Next is a comfy jacket or a hoodie with pockets. Don't underestimate the pockets. You need this. Alright? You need the pockets. And some foods to eat and drinks to drink. You don't want to get hungry, okay? Next is phone to entertain yourself. Now, this is just a phone case because I'm using my phone to film. Also, don't forget a pair of earphones. Now let's move on for the tips. And let's start with the number 1, and that's to be inside your bubble. Like, just mind your own business. Don't think of what people say to your outfit, or you ignore the gossip or something. The second one is to be confident and be happy. It's that simple. Even if you're not confident, feel like you're confident, act like you're confident, then you should be confident. And you should be happy that you're confident. I hate that chicken. The third one is to listen to some music. Okay? Now, it depends on the mood. If you want to be like a bad bitch, want to feel like a bad bitch, then play some songs that makes you feel like a bad bitch. Or if you're feeling sad, you can just play some lo-fi songs, calming songs, some sad songs to make you cry. Now for the fourth one, don't be scared. Okay? Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Do what you love, do what you want to do, and don't think of what people think of you. If they think you're crazy, so what? I'm crazy, okay. So what? So what? I'm crazy, okay. Okay, so that's actually it. But wait. We're not done yet. We're not gonna end at 4, we're gonna end at 5. So my 5th tip is to daydream. I don't know, that helps you. For me, like, you don't have to think of the people around you. You have your own world in your mind. It's amazing. Create some sceneries in your head. Like, and what the heck am I doing here? You know what I mean? Okay. Also, I have a tip of the day for you guys. I don't know if this is related for what we're talking about, but if it's not, try to relate to it. Am I talking nonsense? But anyways, yeah. Do something that your future self will thank you for. That's my tip of the day. I hope you love this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, that's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy, and now get out of my room.